Well, we got bumper stickers for this next song, and if that ain't country, my God, the song is called Honk If You're Country. Any lady that comes up here and gets a Honk If You're Country bumper sticker and slaps it on your bumper, we'll give you a hat, the first one that does it. Up there on the table, right there, right there. Alright, we want to see it on the bumper. You're going to have to come up here on the stage, though, during this song and display the bumper sticker. Come on up and display it. Proudly, we'll give you a hat. This baby, come right around over here. Alright, so this next song, it goes, Honk If You're Country. Alright, y'all can sing that, so sing it with us. It goes a little something like this right here. Honk if you're country, if you like me, probably you're down home roots. Honk if you're country, and got a little country in you. Coveralls and southern draws, y'all can really get yourselves at home. Go girl, I like the crappie fish when your daddy is springtime hits. I'm stringing up my fishing pole. I like my hot wings slapping with ice cold beer. If you're driving by, then I wanna hear you honk if you're country. If you like me, probably you're down home roots. Get that horn if you get me, and you got a little country in you. Well, some folks look down their nose. They think that I don't know a thing. They don't get my way like let's get out here, so let's do it. They think it's what they want.